Nice job. This side for me, Marcus. There we go. There we go. Hey everybody, Dr. Luke Stringer here down at Advanced Health Chiropractic in the South Loop. We're with one of our South Loop residents, Mr. Marcus.
Yep.
Mr. Marcus is a business executive slash entrepreneur. Alrighty, so if you watched our videos before, you know we like to use the ArthroStim, puts movement into the spine, and the soft tissue helps hydrate disc. Good. I'm going to adjust that right side down for me, Marcus, so you're going to face me. Nice job. This side for me, Marcus. There we go. There we go.